Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I'm McKenna, and today we are testing out two speakers, and we're going to compare them for you. We have the CA2890BT and the CA2890 Pro. Okay, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more tech videos. But without further ado, let's check out the Cyber Acoustics speakers. Okay, so here are both of the speakers right out of the box. The Pro is the bigger one. And when you open it up, you get all of the good guides and instructions on how to set up and use the speakers, even though they're both really easy to use. And then the regular one, the BT one, comes with a USB-C adapter, whereas the Pro comes with the adapter already attached. So you can use a USB-C or USB. And then this one is just going to have a regular USB cord. Taking a look at the controls, you can see that they have pretty much all the same controls. We start with volume up and volume down on both models. And then this one with the lightning bolt, that is only on the Pro, and that is actually just to switch the USB-A or USB-C connection, since it does have the attachment already on it. And then next up, you're going to have the mute and unmute on both models, as well as an indicator to tell when you're muted or unmuted. And then we have the multifunction button, which actually switches it between the devices it's connected to. To connect these, you simply just pull back with your thumb, and it's like a little clip. So as you can see, we have a standard monitor here, and if you want it on the side or the bottom, either way works. Just for today, I'll show you on the bottom so we can see them side by side. And it's on there really good. It does have a non-slip grip. As you can see, it's rubber, so you don't have to worry about it sliding around once you attach it to the computer. And I'll put this one on the other side just so you can see. Boom. It's really that easy to attach them, and they look really great, super sleek. I love speakers like this that you can attach, because sometimes you have so many products, you just don't want it cluttering up your desk, but you don't have to worry about with these since they're tucked away. Okay, so I went and turned off my mic so that you could hear this in comparison to my voice and it wouldn't be muffled at all. But let's start with the BT model and see how it sounds.
Please stay connected.
So as you can see, it announced when it was connected. The light is green, meaning it's connected properly, and all I had to do was plug it in. Super simple, no settings or anything. So let's see how it sounds with the music. Okay, so it sounds really good. The volume level is great, especially for how small this is. I will say I'm kind of surprised in a good way, but it definitely has a bit of a harder time with those bass notes, which there's a lot in this song, so it really shows. But let's see how it sounds with the Pro model now. Once again, you can see the light is green, it's connected, so you know it's ready to go. Okay, so as you can hear, that's just much crisper. They both do a really great job with volume, but this one definitely can hit those low notes and the intricate parts like the swish. After hearing them both play the same music, I think that they're actually both really great options, especially compared to some of the pricier alternatives. If you're a hybrid worker on the go, really want to use this for calls and meetings, I think that the smaller option would be your best bet. It's really easy to pull in and out of your bag, and it's really easy to connect, obviously, but it doesn't really pronounce the music as well. So if you do want to hear like those lower beats really crisp and clear, then that's when I think you would want the bigger model. It is a little tiny bit heavier, but it's nothing crazy. And if you have a big bag and don't mind it taking up space, then I would say you might as well go for it. But all in all, I'm really pleasantly surprised with both of these Cyber Acoustics speakers. It was my first time using this brand, so if you want to see more, definitely let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to try more. And give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss out when we put more tech to the test, and we'll see you next time. Bye!